Welcome back to the channel. I am Sharese and I am doing another women-owned business review. So I am very excited to test out these products. I have been waiting for months for them to come back in stock. You guys probably, or maybe you have heard of this company. The name of the company is Curl Chefs, and I actually found this company on Instagram. I believe they were established this year or maybe last year, but I actually found them from an Instagram ad that they ran. Like, that ad was an ad. Like, that was something that needed to be on TV. So kudos to the ad, because that was the reason that I decided to follow them, because I believe at the time that they were running the ad, they hadn't even released the product line. I didn't buy it when they first launched and it sold out, which is great. And this is their restock. So they only have 2 products. This is, of course, black owned and women owned business. I don't know much about I don't really know much about the company at all. They don't have like an about section like most of the companies that I review, where I can kind of do a little research about the owner, but that's okay. I know it said like something about her being a creative director, and which makes sense as to why that ad was like so amazing. So the ad, matter of fact, I'm gonna play it. Like, if I can find it, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now and I'm gonna play the ad for you so y'all can know what I'm talking about. Okay.
The real magic started at home with us, when no one saw the sweet efforts of our hands. Mothers placing daughters over sinks beneath the cool water. The kitchen has always been our first home, raised on Saturday morning recipes and every inch of ingredients intended to help us survive. We brown girls learned how to mix handfuls of love with scoops of confidence until we wore beauty like we invented it, because we did. We were taught to make curls from scratch, to use what we had, and all we had was all we ever needed. Our entire existence is kinky, curly, a 2-strand twist of beauty and resilience, a future as big as our fro. We girls and these curls are both homegrown.
Right. So see y'all, like, that ad made me want to spend money. Like, I really wanted to like spend money with them. So I'm hoping that the products are just as amazing as that ad was, and uplifting and empowering. Just made me feel good watching it. So I did purchase both their products. They did have a sale for 2 for $20. I have their curl dip. And before I even go, like, let's just talk about the packaging. I do like the color choices. I don't think I've seen any brands that have this orange and army green color. And I absolutely love the bamboo style top. It's just overall, it's just really well thought out packaging, and obviously with the name Curl Dip, like, it's a food themed or like kitchen, cooking in the kitchen theme, hence the name of the brand being Curl Chefs. I really like it. Say that this is a hair care that's homegrown. This particular product is their Drench and Twist Conditioning Style Cream for bounce, boost, and curl definition. So I'm excited. I am going to do a flat twist with this style, so I'm hoping that I have tons of definition, and then I'm hoping that it does last me a full week, like most of my products that I use, that I become like a staple in my life. This product does have aloe, argan, avocado, marula, coconut oil, and shea butter. The smell, it smells nice. It reminds me of something that I've probably used before. So it isn't a distinctive like fruity, oh my god, I love it smell. And y'all know how I feel about smells. If you watch any of my other product reviews, smell is like the top of the list for me. So because of it not having like an over the moon smell, but also not having a stinky, I don't like this on my hair smell, we are in good shape. The consistency, here we go. It's really jelly like. Y'all see how it's moving? It's like a jelly creamy type of consistency. So the next product is actually their leave-in conditioner. It is their morning marinade, if I can get it to focus. So they do call it their AAA Superfood Leave-In for curls homegrown, which is the aloe, argan, and avocado oil. Oh, it also has a morning mantra. This is so awesome, y'all. Like, just as far as branding wise, like, they have this in the bag. And I'm probably gonna give this company like all time as far as branding out of every brand that I've used this year. Like, this is the best one. So they have a morning mantra that's written on the side of the package, and I'm going to read it to you. This morning, I will show up as only myself. I am wonderfully made. I am fully known and fully loved. I won't shrink even if my curls do. I will exist in the magic I was created with. I will soak myself in joy and share it with the world generously. I will nourish my confidence and curls with love and light. All that I have is all I need. Come through. Come on. Y'all just, I don't even know what the products feel like, and I'm already like loving you. So I'm gonna be disappointed if I don't like these products, because you're giving me so much more than what I asked for. You know, so much more than what I was looking for, right? You know how you're like looking just to find some products that just work well with your hair, but you over here giving me motivation, inspiration, everything that I needed that I didn't know that I was gonna get from this company. Come on. Okay, y'all, so let's without further ado, because I'm ready to go ahead and try this. And this is a consistency, it's kind of watery because it's dripping everywhere. Can y'all see it running down my hand? Yeah, it's super watery. I feel like the smell is the same as the other product. I feel like to get the best definition, you need to make sure your hair is soaking wet when it comes to adding your leave-in. Really, in any normal situation, I add my leave-in in the shower. Just FYI. So let me go ahead and get a little bit more water on my hair, and then I'll be right back. What do y'all think? The only thing is it's just really watery, and I look for a thicker leave-in. Like the leave-in almost is like I feel like it's disappearing. So I almost feel like I'm not putting anything on my hair. Does that make sense? You know what I'm saying? And I feel like I'm using a lot of it too. Again, I feel like the price is priced well, but if I sit up here and use the whole container in one wash day, then that's a no. And I feel like I still need more. This is crazy. I never use this much leave-in. I will say, like, my hair is shining though. So that's a plus. Now the thickness of this curl dip is what I wanted. Well, maybe not this thick, but I would have liked the leave-in to be almost as thick as this curl dip stuff. Yeah, this thick, but this is nice. So maybe together, these two together, it's a winning combination, because by itself I wasn't feeling it. So I said I was gonna do a 2-strand, but I'm actually gonna do a 3. If you don't know how to 3-strand twist, I do have a 3-strand twisting video I did a few months ago. So actually I'll link that above for you if you want to check that out after this video, but it's super easy. I'm just gonna fast forward this part. And then y'all know I go in with my homemade aluminum foil rolls that I have also shown. I believe I've shown y'all how to make these or how I make them, but I don't like flexi rods because I feel like flexi rods are too thick for my hair, and it won't give me the type of curl that I'm looking for on the ends. A lot of times people are like, oh my god, I love your curls look so good. My curls look good because I have artificially created them. It don't really matter how you get to the point as long as you get in there. We are creating our own destinies around here, so I ain't gotta have the perfect curl because I know how to make the perfect curl. Really looks super hydrated. I am really hopeful. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my head and be right back. Okay, y'all, so that is it. I did not use a lot of product. My hair really like this. Like, y'all, now as y'all saw me twist my hair, did y'all see any product buildup? None at all. Like, my hair really just sucked it all up. So I still have a ton of product left. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I barely made a dent in it, like barely. So this is gonna last me for a while. So again, for $10, it's a pretty good value. My hair is obviously wet. I'll show you guys what my twists look like. I think this twist out is gonna be bomb. Like, the hydration. Look at these twists. Come on now, 3 strand. Come on, 3 strand. You about to be, look, I'm hyping myself up and I don't even know what this hair about to look like, but I just feel it down deep in my soul. Like, I've enjoyed everything else about these products and we will know. So don't click out of the video yet because I am actually going to give you all a like full week look of what my hair looks like every single day. Again, I never advise anybody to go off of someone's hair type when it comes to picking products for you, because what works for me is not necessarily going to work for you, even if our hair looks similar. Okay, so I always like to stress that because a lot of things that factor into why things work better for my hair that may not work better for yours, and vice versa. So now that I have that done, I'm pretty much done filming for tonight, and I will be back tomorrow to show you all what the takedown and what my day 1 looks like, and then like I said, and I'll give you like clips of my hair for the rest of the week. So definitely keep watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you have not already done so. I mean, it takes 2 seconds. It helps me out a ton. I hope it does something for you because it does a lot for me. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as my next video comes out. So now that I have nothing else more to say today, we'll go ahead and fast forward till tomorrow. Alright, so I have my DIY rods out of my head. This is the next night. I did not take them out all day because I didn't have anywhere to go. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel them now, but I will let you know that surprisingly that it's not a gel. It has a little bit of a hold. Also, I have a little bit of, I don't know what this is, crust residue. Oh, can y'all see? It looked like tissue. Bruh. Okay, y'all, so my hair is so freaking hydrated. Hydration, shine. Can y'all see the shine? Girl, this hair look like a wig. Like, this don't even, this hair so shiny and soft. It look like it's a wig. I'm really loving that, but I must say, I had a little flaking, and I'm not used to no products flaking up on me. Like, that's, I can't remember the last time I had a product that had some flakage. Like, let me show y'all. I don't even think y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see a little bit. Look at it. Ooh, look at it, y'all. It's like pop, 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 pop. Goes my mind. Yeah, but it's over here looking like Frosty the Snowman. See, we do not do the white. We do not do the white specks, but the hair itself, super shiny. That's crazy. Like, they have the shine and the definition and then a little bit of hold. I like it, but I am interested to see how my hair looks in a couple of days. So I'm gonna insert those clips now, and this will be the last time that I probably talk. So.
Say you're gonna hold me down. Where was you when the chips was down? You wasn't certain enough. Said you real, but I ain't sure no more. I had to go and get it on my own. You know I had to go and fly solo, yeah. I had to go and get it on my own, yeah. You know I had to go and fly solo. You made me wanna pull up on your ass, send like 30 back. Man, I knew you wasn't certain, no. Make a nigga wanna murder, oh, but you really ain't worth it, though. I had my back, you ain't. Plug switched up, so now I'm trapped. I'm bouncing back, it's a habit. Focus on Grant, trying to be happy.